Here's a program to draw the Pyramid of Egypt and camels of different sizes. Here's our Hopscotch work table with the emoji character that is going to draw the pyramid. All the camels are going to be put at different sizes and the information. When the play button is tapped and the program starts, we have our information here. We are going to reduce the size of the letters to be 70%, and we're going to place it at the bottom of the screen at 600, 100. When the play button is tapped, we have the camel here who's going to place on the screen as is at the position 900, 375. Our second camel is going to be made a little bit bigger by 150% and placed at its location. Our third camel is going to be increased by 200% and placed at its position. Our fourth camel is going to be increased by 250% and placed at its position. Our next camel, when the play button is tapped, is going to be increased by 300% and placed at its position. And our last camel, when the play button is tapped, is going to be increased by 350% and placed at its position. When the play button is tapped, this emoji character is going to draw the background and the pyramid. So the background consists of one very large orange dot that covers the entire iPad. And then our emoji character is going to set up the program to be ready to draw the pyramid. So we are going to set the speed to be as fast as we can. We're going to say the dot size, so every dot of the pyramid is going to be 20 units wide. We are going to start by having 31 dots per line. So the bottom line of the pyramid has 31 dots and will continue reducing by 2 all the way to the top it has 1. But initially we start with 31 dots. We set the position where at 200, 350 where we're going to start drawing the pyramid, and then we make our dot invisible. If we push this button here, we can see what's inside the pyramid. So we're going to repeat 16 times. That means we're going to have 16 lines. And then we are on each line, we're going to draw a number of dots. So the number of dots is stored in the variable that we created called dots per line. And initially we saw that it was 31. So we're going to draw 31 dots, and then we move to the next line. So to get ready to the next line, we're going to first move back. After we draw all the 31 dots, we're moving back to the beginning of the line. So it's the number of dots per line, which was first time 31, multiplied by dot size, which was 20. We're going up a little bit, so we change y by dot size, so we're going up to go to the second line, and change x by dot size, so we can go a little bit to the right, so to start the next line a little bit to the right of the previous line. And then we change the number of dots. For the next time around, we decrease the number of dots by 2 each time we draw a line. So we follow that, and you will be able to draw our pyramid. If we press the button here, we'll be able to see what's inside the yellow dot. So we leave a trail, we draw a yellow dot, and the size is the variable dot size that we created. We move forward 1 to draw the dot, move forward -1 to go back to our position, and then we move forward the dot size, which is 20, in order to be ready to draw the next dot. If we put it all together, then we have our program.